National Energy Conservation Day, of course, it is celebrated on the 14th December every year, but it is started in our country from 1991, and it is being organized and started by Bureau of Energy Efficiency, BEE. That we should remember this particular organization name. It is the Government of India, Bureau of Energy Efficiency. Earlier it was not there. From 91 it has been started to regulate the energy use in our country. So basically, the people of our society, scientists, they started thinking, so how to save our energy? And why this type of things came? Because earlier we are using simply conventional energy source. That is called as the non-renewable energy source. And that is, we can say that is coal, petroleum and electricity. That is our commercial use. Commercial conventional source. And non-commercial, that is conventional source is firewood. Basically, in our village area, we see this type of thing: firewood, straw, dried dung. So these type of fuels earlier we are using. Nowadays we are not using the cow dung or straw or firewood. Our gas, LPG gas, now this is dominating to all these things. If you go to our Fulbani, Daringabadi, you might have seen from our TV also, the people, they are just warm up by using the firewood. So it is not a commercial fuel, we can say, but this is coming under the conventional source. And basically, source of energy is only two types in this universe. One is conventional, that is called as the non-renewable energy source. Non-renewable energy source means it cannot be regenerated, reused. That is why this is called as the conventional. Earlier they are using thousand years ago. They have been using this type of source. What we just said here, that is coal, petroleum gas, and these are electricity generated from the coal itself. That's why it is written electricity. And non-commercial is coming under that: firewood, straw, dried dung, etc. Similarly, if you go to the non-conventional source, right now, as the population is growing on, and industries, everything is going on to meet our demand. So non-conventional energy sources is the alternative nowadays. That comes under that is bioenergy, solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, and geothermal energy also. These are coming under non-conventional source. In other words, very popular name is called as the renewable energy source. Renewable energy source. And best renewable energy source now our India is accepting, that is our solar energy and wind power energy. These are the very two